Hi besties, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already watched my intro video, I'm Lily and I'm happy that you're here today because I'll be doing a tutorial on my everyday makeup look. And guess what? It's beginner friendly, so if you're looking to learn how to do your makeup or just know one or two things about makeup, this is the video for you, so keep on watching. Everybody has a different way of starting off their makeup, but the key thing to having a flawless makeup finish is prepping. You don't really need a lot of products for your skin prep, but it's needed to take your makeup to the next level. So I advise you to always put on one before starting off your makeup. And don't tell me I have oily skin, so I can't put on moisturizer. Sister, you need it. Put it on, okay? It's not that hard. I took a shower a while ago, so I kind of did start off my skin prep, and I only have on two products, which is moisturizer and sunscreen. The other product that I'll be going in with before starting off my makeup is a makeup primer. To start off with, I'm priming my face with e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Just get it around my face, everywhere. I use this primer for my eyebrows and my eyelids because they're always oily. I usually put about a pump of foundation on the back of my hand to apply on my face. And then we just go in. You could either use a beauty blender or a brush depending on the finish that you're looking for. After applying your foundation, then you go in with a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than you on your T-zone. This is how you place your concealer. Your forehead, you could put a little bit on your nose going down, and then right under your eye, and here too. Put some on top of your lip, and then your chin. For this part, you need a beauty blender and just do like a lightly tapping motion going up, okay? So this is how we do it. Just do it lightly and just focus under your eye. Don't take it too far up. And then you just do the same motion for the other side of your eye and try looking up while you're doing it. Just keep on tapping gently because you don't want to take off the concealer. You just need to like blend it out. After a foundation application, your face becomes flat, so in order to bring back the dimensions, you go in with a concealer to highlight and then a contour to bring back the shadows. So this is the placement of your contour. You put some next to your cheekbones, here, under your chin, your forehead, and if you want a skinnier nose, then you place your 2 lines here. To blend it out, I'm using my foundation brush that I used earlier and just go upwards motion to blend it out. And just keep on tapping back and forth. When I get to my forehead, I just blend it downwards by tapping too. Blending the nose, you basically just drag it down while tapping, just like so. Before I set my face, I go back in with a beauty blender just to get all the creases out and to also get all the harsh lines off my nose. Set under my eyes, I'm using a loose setting powder and just lightly dab on it, my highlighter area. The powder basically just go to all the places that you highlighted using the concealer. So that's your forehead, under your eyes, on top of your lip, and then your chin. Then you go in with a contour powder on all the places that you put your contour, just so you could set it. In the same motions, you just blend it upwards like so. My next step is a bronzer because I need the warmth back in my face, and a contour cannot really give that. It's more so of a cool tone product, so it just gives you the shadows, no warmth. Using the tapping motion up and down, just put it on top of your contour, like where the contour ended. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, but if you need a video, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to make you a video. For my eyes, I'm using a concealer, then I go in with an eyeshadow to set it and blend it out smoothly. Then I go in with my blush. Just tap, tap. Then I put some on my nose. Then I line my lips with a dark brown lip pencil. Then I set my face with a setting mist. Alright besties, so this is the finished look. What do y'all think? I hope after watching this tutorial you have learned something, and I can't wait for you to subscribe to my channel so you can follow my journey. So see you next time besties. Bye.